Hey, so we have Bitcoin on December 16th, and we are on the daily chart. So we're going to start off by showing the trend line that we're in, or the trend in general. So as we can see, yeah, we'll leave these colors on. We were in a falling wedge, and we kind of broke out. We definitely did. This right here is breaking out of the pattern, and we came back down to retest that. So let me just zoom in here. There we go. So we're gonna see what we got going on. So yeah, we had broken out. It's not a strong breakout, but we definitely did break out. Came back down to retest this trend line, and now we're using it as support. So this is where we're at here. This also means that if we cannot fully break out of this trend line, that there is a possibility that we do come back down here, either retest that and bounce up, or we could invalidate the pattern, continue to go down. We can go up from here. There's many options, but the thing is that we did break out, and our next support line is this top trend line. So if we do come down, that is a decent percent. Yeah, it's about a 38% drop. That'll be around, yeah, 10,000 ish. So these are options. We got to keep these open as we dive deeper in. We'll see on the daily as we did zoom in. We have this support line right here. We'll make it a nice yellow, or we'll switch it to that light blue. All right. So that's on the daily. We can see the SRSI did bottom out right here. And then we got oversold up here, but we did not break above our last high. That means that for this oscillation here, we were only able to get this high. So it's likely that we come back down and retest this support right here. If we are able to retest the support and bounce up, it will confirm that. Well, it'll confirm that this is holding as support. Um, but if we were to break down from here, then we will test. We will be testing new levels down there. So this is where we're at the moment. This is on the daily, so we'll leave that support line in there, and then we'll bounce on the 4 hour. So this is what we got on the 4 hour. This is our local time frame, and this is, yeah, starting from November to where we're at now. And let's just do this. We have some trend lines here. We have a trend right there that, as you can see, did break down from. So yeah, we broke this trend line, broke down from it. One thing we could do is we could copy it up, and we could kind of see where we were playing at. So we have these two confirmation points. This third one here did not make it, or did not break out from that. So yeah, basically we're still in this. We were still in this pattern, but breaking below it is giving ourselves some lower levels. If we were to break back inside, come back up, then we would still be playing in this channel. But at the moment, we did break below. So what we do is we will take a measured move. We will take the length of the spread between the rising channel there, and we will do this. This is the measured move of this pattern right here. So it is likely to come down another 5% on Bitcoin, just basically on the measured move of this channel. Since we did break down, this is the most likely possibility that we get 16,158. So this is what we're looking at on the 4 hour. Our SRSI, the stochastic RSI, is low. So there is a chance that, we could be looking at something like this. And we're actually still holding that support level. So off of these two touches right here, we are developing the support. And it looks like we're at that right now with a 4 hour SRSI low, which means that there is a high likely that we do get a bounce up. So we could bounce up here and get rejected, which means that this high would be lower than this high, downtrend. So that's what we're looking at. At the moment, we're waiting for the SRSI to make a move. This is the 4 hour, though. It'll take some time for that to process. So we will jump onto the 1 hour. And as we dive into the 1 hour chart, we can see a little bit closer on the pattern that we're in. So All right, let's see what we got going on here. Yeah, so we could take this trend line and kind of see what the downward sloping movement is going to be. So in the case that we were to come back up, we have resistance at this level. It is an intersection of these two lines, but regardless, this pink downward sloping line is our resistance on the 1 hour coming from these two confirmation points. So these 2 points right here allow us to determine that that line is our resistance. Yes, this green line is the support. So we're playing in this tight channel at the moment. 1 hour is also low on the SRSI, and we're just going to continue going on, diving in deeper. Um, this is the 15-minute, and it seems that we are coming up on the SRSI, so it does seem that this is a local bottom. 15-minute time frame though, local bottom. This in the next, you know, 15 hours or so, we could completely break this. So for today, this is a local bottom. If this 15-minute does not make it above this high, which is a stretch, it is likely that we continue back to the downside or test this support range and go sideways. So this is what we're looking at today. We did just react to a 3% drop in Bitcoin, and what was this? An hour and a half or so. So, we are getting close to breaking down from this 1 hour trend, this rising channel. So we did break below it. It's at our last kind of support level right here at this green one. If we do break below it, it is likely that we continue down to this measured move at 16,178. That is what we got here on Bitcoin, and I hope you guys have a great day.